So the other night, me and Jeremy are sitting there talking on the phone, sharing Facebook Marketplace ads. You know, we're like an hour into our conversation. We just made the comment, it feels like we're dating. We talk on the phone so much, but we're talking about things to buy. You should buy this, I should buy that. All of a sudden, a buddy messages me, says, "Hey, I got a 78 Corvette. You interested in another one? It's a barn find." "Yeah, man, sure, send me some pictures." "What do you want for it?" He tells me. Car's been sitting for 19 years, etc., etc. I was like, "I just loaded it up. You know, I don't want to fool with it. I know you're into them. If you want it, you can have it." Okay. So I'm like, "Hey, I think I'm going to buy this Corvette." Jeremy's like, "What?" I'm like, "Yeah." So next thing you know, here it is. He delivered it the next day. And I don't know what I was thinking, but we can save it. So here's what we're working with. It's 1978 silver anniversary Corvette, automatic. Been sitting for 19 years. Pretty original under the hood. Got the AC. Everything looks pretty much like it should. Anniversary badging. Paint's rough. Car's rough. This window doesn't roll up. It has some rodent friends that have been dead. Yeah. I don't know what. It's got red seats, black door panels that are pretty trashed. The seats under here are leather and look decent. Some sort of system in the back, 8-track. Car does have 78,000 actual miles on it. Yeah. So, I don't have a real plan for it. Hope it runs, maybe. Hope the motor's free, maybe. Probably clean it up really good, get it running, get the rodent friends out of it, throw some tires on it, and move it on. Someone outside planned on fixing it, but it's a little too rough for that. But hey, it's a Corvette. You can never have too many of them sitting around. So we'll add to the project pile. I don't have any quick plans to work on it because we got a lot of other stuff going on right now. Probably wash it off, maybe put a battery in it and see what if it turns over. Basic stuff like that here in the next video. Get out of the way, we were just bragging. We had just got the Chrysler, which if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll see videos on soon. Out of its parking spot where it had been for years, right here. And we're just bragging on how you could drive through here now. And here we are with this turd back in the way. So anyway, just another day at ATVs Adrenaline Flunkies. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more bad ideas. We'll see you. Y'all be pretty.